Alright. So, this video is specifically about fixing the needle hook clearance on the Singer 534. The problem I was having was getting the needle clearance to the hook corrected, and I couldn't find a video anyone else had made, so I don't know if it exists and I can't find it, or if no one has done it before. But to get the needle bar to move forward and backward to correct your hook clearance at the needle scarf, there are two set screws, this set screw and that set screw. These two screws hold the shaft here that the needle bar pivots on for zigzag, and at the bottom underneath there is a nut, or rather a tiny bolt that holds this bracket on, and you need to remove this little bolt, and then with these two set screws free, there's a cam adjustment under here that will move this cam. I mean, this is a washer here, but there's a cam under this washer. And under this, the cam under this washer is what is going to move this bar forward and back to correct the distance between the scarf on the needle and the hook, so it will pick up the stitches. This machine was improperly adjusted very far forward and only hooked stitches very rarely. It missed most stitches because the scarf was not close enough to the hook when the needle was down. So again, these two set screws, a nut or a little bolt, and then there's the adjustment nut on this bushing that moves a cam to slide this forward and back to get that adjustment right.